Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to create a logo animation on CapCut. Only using a free tools you can create an animation by following this tutorial. Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open the CapCut, make a new project and then import a black screen like this, or maybe you already have a background that you want to add onto your clip. Okay, now the next step, you just need to go to the overlay button, add an overlay, and import the logo that you have. So for example, I'm using this CapCut logo, and I'm going to put it onto this clip, just like this, and try to decrease the duration from it as same duration as the main clip. Now, when you're already done, the way to create a motion onto this logo is just by first thing, go to the first duration, hide the logo, and add a keyframe onto the first duration, this one. And now swipe your clip onto the next duration that you want to add a movement onto your logo. So this one, swipe left again. I'm going to put it on this side, decrease the size from it. Again, put it on this side, and I'm going to go to the basic, this one, and I will rotate the logo just like this. Okay, now when it's done, hit the check button, swipe left again. I will move it onto this side, decrease the thickness or the size from the logo, move again, and I'm going to rotate it one more time like this. And now it's done. When you're done, hit this check button, go back to the first duration, and this is the final result of it. And that's the way how to create a logo animation on CapCut application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.